Good morning, my dear students. So welcome to our new lecture. In this particular lecture we are going to see the expansion in the form of x plus a, x plus b. Okay, so we are going to expand this particular term, that is x plus a, x plus b. Okay, this is a particular binomial having one term common. Okay, so in both the brackets you will find that x and x, okay, it is common in both the brackets. So we are going to find the expansion of this particular term, that is in bracket x plus a multiply by in bracket x plus b. Okay, so in the previous lecture of this particular chapter, that is expansion formula, we have seen three basic expansion formulas. Okay, that is a plus b bracket raised to square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we have seen a minus b bracket raised to square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we have seen a square minus b square is equals to in bracket a plus b into in bracket a minus b. Okay, now here you can see that the term, it is not similar to the third expansion formula, that is a plus b a minus b. Okay, both the bracket have same operator, that is plus sign. Okay, so now we will see how we can find the expansion of this particular term. Okay, so we know x plus a and x plus b. Okay, these two terms are multiplied over here. So what we are going to do, we will multiply the second bracket with the first term, then we will multiply the second bracket with the second term of the first bracket. Okay, जब आपको ऐसे टर्म दिए हुए रहेंगे, ओके, ऐसा बाइनोमियल आपको दिया हुआ है जहां पे आपको दो ब्रैकेट्स देखने मिले और वो ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में क्या है, आपको ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर टर्म्स है। ओके, एक्स है, ए है, बी है, सी है, एनी टर्म में बी देयर। ओके, आपको क्या करना है कि जो पहला ब्रैकेट आपका होगा उसके सारे के सारे टर्म्स को वन बाय वन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट से क्या करना होगा, मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। सो आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट एक्स इंटू एक्स प्लस बी एंड a इंटू एक्स प्लस बी। तो क्या होगा हमारा यहाँ पे x इंटू एक्स प्लस बी। ओके, a क्या है हमारा, प्लस a है, तो प्लस a इंटू एक्स प्लस बी। ओके, सो हमें क्या स्टेट अभी इक्वेशन मिला है, x इंटू एक्स प्लस बी प्लस a इंटू एक्स प्लस बी। सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई नाउ। सो x इंटू x इज नथिंग बट एक्स स्क्वायर, x into b is nothing but bx. Okay, then a into x is ax and a into b is nothing but ab. Okay, so we have got x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. Okay, now x square as it is plus, here in these two terms bx and ax, x is the common term, so I will take it out, x, and inside the bracket a plus b and plus ab as it is. Okay, so what is the expansion of x plus a into x plus b? It is equal to x square plus x into in bracket a plus b plus ab. Okay, so this is the expansion of this particular binomial. Now we have to keep this general formula in our mind. Okay, we have to learn this general formula because we are going to use this particular expansion formula to solve certain equations, to simplify certain binomials. Okay, so let us see one by one each and every question. So now we are going to expand this particular binomial, that is x plus 6 into x plus 4. Okay, so how we can expand this? We can expand this by using the above expansion formula. Okay, so that is equal to x plus 6 x plus 4. Okay, it is equal to, now if you do not remember the formula, just remember the basic sequence, that is we have to multiply the first term from first term and the whole bracket, that is second bracket, and the second term of the first bracket to the complete second bracket. Okay, if you do not remember the formula, or else you can apply the formula now. Now in this particular pair of binomials, you can see x plus 6 is there, so I am going to take x equal to x, a equal to 6, then x equal to x, and b equal to 4. Okay, and I will apply the above expansion formula. So what I will get x square, okay, plus x. Now what is the formula? A plus b. So 6 plus 4. What will be 6 plus 4? Okay, plus ab, that is 6 into 4. 6 into 4. Okay, what I have done, I have used the above formula, that is x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Okay, so I have just taken x equal to x, a equal to 6, x equal to x, b equals to 4, and I have just replaced the value of a and b in the above formula, okay, by 6 and 4. So we have got this particular step. Now x square as it is, x as it is, 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10, and 6 into 4 is nothing but 24. Therefore, we got the expansion of x plus 6, x plus 4 is equals to x square plus 10x plus 24. Okay, so this is the first sub question that we have solved. Now let us see the second sub question. So now we will expand y plus 4 into in bracket y minus 3. Okay, so here you can see there is one basic difference, that is in the second bracket, okay, our b, that is 3, have a negative sign. Okay, which sign is there? Minus sign is there. Okay, so what we can do now, we will start with the basic, that is y plus 4 y minus 3 is equals to. Now I can directly apply the formula, or else what I can do is I can write y plus 4 as y plus 4 as it is into y plus sign, and in another bracket I will take minus 3 and bracket complete. Okay, now plus into minus becomes minus, so we are changing nothing over here, just we have taken the plus sign for our own convenience. Okay, then now we can apply the above expansion formula, that is here I will take x equal to y, a equals to 4, then x equal to 1, and b will be by minus 3. b क्या होगा हमारा? minus 3 होगा. यहाँ पे प्लस साइन था तो वो प्लस साइन हमें यहाँ पे लेकर के आ गया हूँ, तो अब मैं b को क्या ले सकता हूँ? minus 3 लूंगा. ओके, एंड आई विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. सो x इक्वल टू y है मेरा, तो y स्क्वायर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ओके, प्लस अगेन x इक्वल टू क्या है मेरा? y है, तो एज इट इज रह गया. देन a प्लस b, सो a क्या है मेरा? 4 है, और b क्या है मेरा? minus 3, so minus 3. ओके, प्लस a b है, तो a क्या है मेरा? 4 है, मैंने 4 लिख दिया, और b क्या है मेरा? minus 3 है, तो मैंने minus 3 लिखा. ओके, now we will simplify it. So y square, okay, plus now y 4 plus minus 3, so प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है? माइनस होता है, तो 4 माइनस 3 क्या हो गया? 1 हो गया. ओके, देन प्लस एज इट इज 4 इंटू, सॉरी प्लस नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, क्या है यहाँ पे देखो, प्लस 4 इंटू माइनस 3 है, सो प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है? माइनस होता है. तो 4 3 क्या हो गया? 12 आ गया, एज इट इज रखा मैंने यहाँ पे 12, और प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या आ गया? माइनस आ गया. ओके, सो हमारा एक्सपांशन क्या है? वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस 12. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव गॉट? वी हैव गॉट वाई प्लस 4 इंटू वाई माइनस 3 is equals to y square plus y minus 12. Okay, now let us see the third sub question. Now what is the third sub question? That we have to expand 2a plus 2x and into 2a plus 3x. Okay, so now in this particular question what I will get, I will consider x equal to 2a, a is equals to 2x, then x equal to 2a and b is equals to 3x. Okay, then we can easily apply the rule. So 2a plus 2x into 2a plus 3x is equals to, now 2a is my x, so x square, that is 2a ka square. Okay, 2a square. Then again my x is 2a and a plus b, so my a is 2x and b is 3x, so 2x plus 3x, 2x plus 3x. Okay, plus ab, so my a is 2x and b is my 3x, so 2x into 3x. So what I am getting, 2a square, so 2 square 4 and a square plus 2a into 2x plus 3x is nothing but 5x plus 2x into 3x, so 2 3s are 6 and x into x is nothing but x square. So we have got 4a square plus 2 5s are 10, a into x, ax plus 6x square. So this is the expansion for in bracket 2a plus 2x bracket complete multiplied by in bracket 2a plus 3x bracket complete, and it is equal to 4a square plus 10ax plus 6x square. Okay, now let us see the fourth sub question. Now in this binomial you can see our first term, that is common term, is m. Okay, and our a is 3 upon 2 and b is 1 upon 2. So now I am going to take x equal to m, a is equals to 3 by 2, again x equal to m and b is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now we can expand it. So it is m plus 3 by 2 into m plus 1 by 2. The formula m square, okay, plus m into a plus b, so 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, okay, then plus ab, so a is 3 by 2 and b is 1 by 2. Okay, now m square, so m square as it is plus m, 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, so denominator is same, so I can take 3 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, the denominator is common, that it is then plus 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. ओके, देखो जब प्लस साइन होगा तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है हमारा तो हम लोग उसे कॉमन लेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 ही लिखेंगे और जो न्यूमरेटर के टर्म से उन्हें ऐड करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है अगर दो फ्रैक्शन के बीच में तो हम लोग न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, सो वी गेट m स्क्वायर प्लस 3 प्लस 1 क्या होता है, 4 होता है, तो 4 अपॉन 2 आ गया प्लस 3 अपॉन 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4 हो गया. तो हमें क्या मिला, m स्क्वायर प्लस 2m प्लस 3 अपॉन 4 मिला. ओके, so the expansion of m plus 3 by 2 in bracket m plus 1 by 2 is equal to m square plus 2m plus 3 by 4. Okay, so आज के लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने 4 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं एक्सपांशन के, ओके, एक्सपांशन ऑफ x plus a x plus b के. In the next lecture we will solve some questions from practice set 5.1, okay, and then we will start on new expansion, okay, expansion of the another binomial or another term, that is we will see a plus b bracket raised to q, okay. So for this particular lecture what we have to do, we have to write down the solved examples, okay, that is going to be your homework, okay. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.